heads, we need some tools. These tools help you understand system behavior, monitor the network, and use software. So in this video, we will install some important tools. First, the software we need to install is called ASP.NET. So let's install it. After that, the software we need to install is called Windows Desktop Frontend. Let's install it. After completing the initial setup steps, the next important task is to install the Java Runtime Environment, or Java JRE. This software is crucial for running Java applications on your computer. To begin, you need to download the Java JRE package from the official Java website. Make sure to choose the version that matches your operating system to avoid compatibility issues. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. The installation wizard will guide you through the process, which includes agreeing to the terms and conditions. It's important to read these terms carefully before. So, in this video, all the tools we have installed can be downloaded from Google. If anyone faces any issues, please contact on Telegram, and these tools will be provided. So, I hope you like this video, and see you in the next video.